everybody, my name is Alita and I am delighted to have you here at my science lab today. So today we're going to be doing some fun hands-on activities and you should hopefully have one of our Science Starz kits with you. But first of all, what is science? What do you think of when you hear the word science? Do you think potions? Explosions? Yes, those are all things that have to do with science. However, science is so much more than that. You are probably doing a bit of science each and every day and you don't even realize it. For example, have you ever wondered how things work? Do you ever ask questions? Do you like to investigate? Have you ever wondered why some leaves change color in the autumn and fall to the ground? Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? Have you ever wondered why when you throw a ball up in the air, it comes down? Well, if you have said yes to any of those things, you are already behaving like a scientist. So I hope that by doing these activities today, you're going to really enjoy it and that it's going to ignite an interest in science so that when you get older, you may go on to take up science in secondary or in university, and you might end up being a scientist yourself someday or be working in some sort of a science field. Today we're going to be making a catapult. Now a catapult is something that is used to launch something. So in this case, we'll be launching pom-poms. But a catapult incorporates engineering and physics. So those two combined into making something that basically launches something. So let's get started. So today we're going to be making a catapult. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So you should have 7 lolly sticks, a spoon, 6 elastics, some pom-poms, and something to catch the pom-poms in. So to start with, we're going to take 5 of our lolly sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stack them all on top of each other like so, okay? And then take an elastic and you're going to wrap it around one end of the sticks as many times as you can, nice and tightly. So we've got one end and then we're going to tie an elastic around the other end the same way. There. Okay, so once you've got that, you can put that down and we're going to take our remaining 2 sticks and we're going to take an elastic again and we're going to tie another elastic around the end of these 2. There. So we're going to leave this end open. As you can see, it looks like a mouth. Okay, so see if you can open up the mouth and we're going to pop the 5 lolly sticks that we tied together into the mouth as far back as we can. So it's like the mouth is eating it. Okay, right down the middle of it. Okay, like so. Now we want to secure this in place, so we need another elastic. Okay, so take another elastic and we're going to tie it diagonally. So like so, we're going to make it look like an X. So you're going to go in like that around that way and back again and then you're gonna try to do the opposite. So it can be a little bit fiddly, but don't worry too much what way it's tied. As long as you're able to secure it by wrapping it around several times, you should be okay. Okay, so I'm gonna keep pushing that back as far as I can get it. Okay, so now you can see that I've got a bit of a launcher made. So now we need something that will launch the pom-poms, and that's going to be this spoon. Place the spoon onto the stick, and then take another elastic, and you want to attach the spoon to the stick. That would be the stick that's the top of the mouth. Okay, so I'm just going to wrap this around again. Now I want to secure the top of it, the top of the spoon. So I'm going to take my last elastic and I'm going to wrap it around the top end of the stick and around the spoon head. Now you have your catapult. So now your catapult is ready, and if you put your hand here on the base of it, you will be able to push your catapult back and release. When you push down on the spoon, the elastic stretches, storing potential energy. When you release the spoon, the potential energy gets converted into energy of motion, causing the pom-pom to go flying through the air. So the further down you push the stick, the more force is used, which gives the stick more energy to transfer to the pom-pom, which means it should travel further. Okay, so why not set up a few cups or lids? You can use anything around your home, or you can set something up as a target, maybe a teddy bear or something, and try to hit it on the nose. All right, let's see how we go. Catapults were used in medieval times as a weapon to knock rocks into castle walls. We don't use that type of weaponry today, but the concept of a catapult is still very relevant in the case of ejection seats for planes. An engineer would be interested in studying the trajectory or the path that a seat takes. But catapults are still very much used today in the case of aircraft carriers, where a plane's runway is not long enough to give it enough speed for it to launch into the air. So in that case, a catapult would be used to launch a plane into the air. Woohoo!